Are you aware of your nutrition needs during your pregnancy? A balanced diet should be enough, but there are some things to think about. When most women think of nutrition in pregnancy, they often think of things like pickles and ice cream late at night. That's fine, but maintaining a balanced diet is very important so that you have lots of energy and strength while you're growing a baby. Just as importantly, your baby needs a lot of vitamins and protein to help him or her grow properly. A diet full of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy will help your baby grow very well. You might be prescribed a multivitamin that contains folic acid and iron, as those are very important nutrients to help the baby grow. As far as weight gain during pregnancy, the amount you should gain depends on your body mass index, or BMI, at the start of your pregnancy. If you start out with a high BMI, we will want you to gain less weight. If you're underweight according to your BMI, we will want you to gain more. Overall, a little ice cream is just fine, but remember that a healthy, balanced diet will help get your baby off to the right start.